So welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is going to be the first day of Vlogmas. It is November 30th. Everything will be uploaded on December 1st. And I'm gonna try to do all of the days of Vlogmas. It's a huge undertaking, especially because I haven't been posting on my channel. So from going like pretty much not posting or very little posting to I'm posting every single day is going to be a lot. But I have like sort of a system together in my head. I feel like I'm like, okay, I know what I want to do. I know how to do this. I've done it before. So let's just put the good energy out that I can do it again. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about me doing Vlogmas. I look a mess right now because I just took down my mini twist and my hair is a whole thing. It's a whole debacle right now. I started using the no hair butters and no oil method and it completely ruined my hair. Here is the TikTok that I posted about it. Let me just insert it here.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
So it's bad. My hair is bad. Eventually, I want to do like a full video talking about it. But I just got back from San Diego. I started unpacking, but I do have to unpack all of my makeup. So we're going to do that today. And I also have packages of different things. Let's see how many packages there are. There's 3 packages. So I want us to do that together at some point today. And I'm gonna wash my hair and hopefully it's looking better and healing. I think it is, but I won't know until I like start blow drying it. I've already cut so much of my hair. I just need for that video. I've just cut so much of my hair. But I want to do that. I want to do my nails at some point. Don't know if that's going to be today, but I kind of want to do my nails and I want to fix up my eyebrows. So that might be tomorrow, but overall this weekend I want it to be a like really productive maintenance routine because I just want to feel really good about myself, and I feel like looking good is a part of feeling good about myself. I've got a lot of like healing to do and I don't want to talk about it right now, but I do want to show the process of me healing. So if you're out there and you need help with anything and you need any healing, like, girl, I got you. I got you. You're not alone, and we're gonna figure it out together. But I'm just gonna drink my little cup of coffee. Isn't this the cutest mug ever? I got this from Target. Oh, I also want to decorate the house, so I'm probably gonna decorate tomorrow on December 1st. I feel like that sounds fun. That sounds like a great plan. And then I want to get some clips in front of the tree, and then we can have like a full a real intro for Christmas. I'm gonna try to put one together, but I feel like I'll add to it once I get some of those like little Christmassy things. But okay, I'm gonna drink this, then I'm gonna go tackle this hair. I'll see if I can take you with me. But I also, my plan for this week or this Vlogmas is to edit on my iPad. So that's awesome. I'm gonna be getting more things done on my iPad. I've been doing so much stuff, so I'll share that too, like what I've been doing on my iPad and like that whole thing. But let's go. This is kind of gross, but it's fine. I'm gonna drink it. Finished washing my hair. It took me a really long time to do. My hair was super dry, so I like waited and I did a deep conditioner and I like kept in my hair for like 20 minutes. So now I need to do a braid on my hair. I thought I was gonna blow dry it, but like my hair is just way too dry to do that. And I ordered some hair products so that like I can actually get my hair under control. So I'm gonna do my best with what I have. So yeah, it's one of those days. I need to get my water intake up, so I'm gonna be drinking my water.